Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make fenugreek curry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and dry roast 1 cup of coriander seeds for 2 minutes. Then transfer it into a bowl. Now roast 1 tablespoon of tur dal, 1 tablespoon of gram dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. When the dal turns light brown, transfer it into the bowl. Now roast 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. When it splutters, take it out. Now reduce the flame and roast 2 teaspoons of fenugreek and 2 teaspoons of mustard. When it splutters, take it out. Now roast 80 red chillies over low flame for 2 minutes. Transfer this into the bowl and allow it to cool. Grind all the ingredients in a food processor into a fine powder. Now add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and mix well. Once it reaches the room temperature, store it in an airtight container. Soak a small lemon-sized tamarind in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Then squeeze and filter the juice and keep aside. Heat 4 tablespoons of sesame oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add 1 teaspoon of mustard. When it splutters, add 1½ tablespoons of fenugreek. When it turns light brown, add 10 garlic cloves, 1 cup of shallots and 1 sprig of curry leaves. When the shallots turn translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2½ tablespoons of the masala powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 1 finely chopped tomato. Mix well. Now add a little salt. Place a lid and cook this till the tomato becomes soft. Now add the tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix well. Cover it with the lid and cook this for 5 minutes. Mix 2 teaspoons of rice flour in 2 tablespoons of water and add this into the gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed jaggery and mix well. Cook it over low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. Fenugreek curry is ready. This will go nice with plain rice. Please try it out and post your feedback.